So, this is my first video in regards to skates. My name is Geraldine, and I'm a beginner skater. Haven't even skated yet. I think the last time I actually skated in my life was probably when I was like 4. I remember having those skates that you put your shoe in, your foot in, and they're adjustable. So I think those are the last time. Oh no, and I think there was some point that I did roller skate at a rink. I don't remember how long ago that was, but yeah. So I've only been on skates a couple of times in my entire life, but definitely not enough to know or remember how to skate. And definitely not enough that I've ever passed the beginner stage. So so I was really excited to get started with skates, and I started watching videos, and I decided that this is something I definitely want to get into. This is definitely something that I want to do a lot. I plan on skating every day, hopefully, and so I am getting into skating during a pandemic and during a time where skating has become really popular. So unfortunately, I don't have the opportunity to just get any pair of skates that I want, but there are some skates that are available to order now, and there are some skates that that you could pre-order or order, and you might get in a couple of months from now. And so I wanted to get started skating right away. And so I ordered skates that were both available now, but also skates that I'm actually a little bit more excited about, and I think that are really good quality, that won't be here for a bit. I originally first wanted to order the Shore Grip suede skates that they had available on Amazon, and when I went to go order it, it wasn't available for some strange reason, and so I ended up ordering Shore Grip Stardust skates in blue. And then when I went on Amazon the next day, the suede skates were available, but I decided that since another pair of skates that I ordered, which are the Moonlight Moon Boot and Mirror Ball, which are suede, since I ordered those, which will probably be here in a couple of months, that I probably didn't need 2 pairs of suede skates right away, and so I didn't cancel my order, and I stayed with the Stardust. So they just came, and here these beauties are. I have not laced them up yet, but they are coming out of the box literally perfect. Visibly they look great. I did a will test to just see, and I didn't actually order skate tools because for some reason I thought that the skate tool might come in the box, so I definitely need to order them. But I'm so glad that these skates are coming out of the box pretty much pretty good and ready. So I'm so happy about that. But I did a will test, and I don't know if you can see, but they spin very well. It's so they're all of the wheels are ready out of the box. They're all spinning just perfectly. They're they're not loose. This is literally amazing. I'm so happy because I don't have the tool to adjust it. So I'm so glad that the wheels are spinning perfectly, and they seem to be really ready to skate on, because I have to order a tool. So both boots are the same way. The other boots over there, I just started lacing them up. So I'm so excited. I also ordered this set of gear because I've seen people scratch themselves up pretty badly trying to learn how to skate or learning new tricks, and that is not going to be me at all. I bruise very badly. As you can see, even when I just get a pimple and I pick out a pimple, it gets really dark. This is a pimple that I do not do well with scratches and bruises. They do not heal well on me and would take forever to go away. So just from the jump, I knew that this is something that I needed, and I wouldn't skate without any protective gear. I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm so excited. Oh, these are I think it's the ABEC ABEC 3 wheels. These are short grip motion wheels. These are, I believe, a 78A, which means they are made for outdoor skating. But because I do not have a tool to remove the toe stop, in order to put on a toe cover, I will not be skating with these outside yet until I'm able to get the toe stop off so that I can properly put on a toe cover. So I'll be using these indoors, but that's just to get the, like just the hang of skating. But I'm so excited. These baby, look at the you see that shine? It's like glistening right there. It's like it's amazing. And I'm just like so excited. What else about these? It has a nylon plate. Has a nylon plate, which is preferable for people who want a lighter skate. I didn't have a preference. I mean, I think I wanted a chrome plate, or like a metal plate, some type of metal plate, because to me it just looks better, and I think it look stronger. But the Moonlight roller boots that I ordered do have a metal plate, and so I was fine with this being nylon, just to have 2 different types of plates, which is completely fine with me. But these boots are beautiful, actually. And I did see things about it not being padded, which it isn't padded, but it actually, I put it on my foot already. I mean, I didn't tie it all the way up, but it's not like completely, it's not uncomfortable. So I think it's fine. And another thing about these boots is that they do not have the typical loops that you would see right here. These are all shoestring holes, and I know most skates have those loops where you could quickly get your strings tied up around the top of the boot. And so this is something that this boot doesn't have, which means it'll just take longer to put on and longer to take off. But I can't be picky. We're in a pandemic, and I'm even lucky to have access to get skates now anyway. So there's that. And it's short grip, so it's a pretty decent quality skate that is, like not a cheap beginner skate. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I did want to get a skate that was a little bit more affordable. I mean, a little bit more expensive. I'm sorry, than a cheaper skate, because I do know that I want to get into this, and I kept seeing reviews about some of the cheaper skates falling apart after a few months, and so I thought it didn't make any sense to buy skates that were going to fall apart for me when I know that I want to get into it, and then have to spend that money and more to get a quality skate. So I just decided to put that money up front into a better quality skate, and I'm hoping that these do not pull apart, and I'm hoping that these will last a pretty long time. I haven't seen any bad reviews about these falling apart or not doing well, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, guys, this is my Stardust. This is my Stardust. There will be videos of me learning how to skate. I will take you guys along. This is day 1. You see I have my gear on. I haven't even laced up my boot, but I will, and this will be fun. I'll catch you guys later, and I'll be back with an update on how it is to learn how to skate on these Stardust boots. Okay?